Hello guys, welcome to your channel Hidden Knowledge. So I will describe the concept of longitude and latitude which is in class 6 NCERT book, and it is helpful for your exam perspective who are preparing for competitive exam like UPSC, UPSC, KVS, NBS, etc. And this is also helpful for class 6 students who are going to appear periodic test and other term and examination. And you know that the basic concept is very useful. If you don't know the basic concept, then you may find difficulty in further chapter which rely on this concept. Okay, let's discuss about the topic. Now you can see a planet in the picture. So every planet in our solar system, in the universe, we have to identify a specified position on the planet. So how could we find out the specified position? So we should know the longitude and latitude of that planet, which is an imaginary line. So if we know the longitude and latitude of the planet, proper longitude and latitude of the planet, then we can easily find out the position. Yes or no? Let's see further another one planet, which is Earth, our Earth. So we should know, like our country, India, its position, like one position, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, or Delhi. How to find out the position? You know that we have to find out longitude and latitude. That is the use of longitude and latitude. Why should we know longitude and latitude in our globe, in our Earth? That is the use of longitude and latitude. Hence, we will discuss further more about longitude and latitude. Let's see. So here I will discuss about latitude. You know that all parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallel of latitudes. That means which are parallel to equators, that is known as latitude. All are latitudes. So now the question is, what is equator? Equator is an imaginary line which divides our earth in two parts, two hemispheres, like north hemisphere and south hemisphere. Okay, then latitude is represented as degree and direction, north or south. Two direction there are, north and south direction. For examples, you can see that 23-degree north latitude and 23-degree south latitude. So and one more thing I want to tell you, that latitude is horizontal lines. Okay, horizontal means west to east or east to west, whatever you call. That is latitude, horizontal lines, west to east or left to right or right to left. That is known as latitude. Okay, the next you can see the pictures of latitude. Look at the first picture. There is given equator in the middle of the earth, which divides into two parts. I already told you that. What is the degree of equator? Remember, the degree of equator is 0 degree. The degree of equator is 0 degree. Okay, when we go towards up, means towards north direction, that is 20-degree north, 40-degree north, 60-degree north, 80-degree north, and 90-degree north, which is north pole. What is the degree of north pole? 90 degree. What is the degree of south pole? 90 degree. South pole 90 degree south, north pole 90 degree north. Okay, simple. Already I told you that there are some principal latitudes, like equator 0 degree. Then when we comes towards north, tropic of Cancer equal to tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. Remember the degrees. Tropic of Cancer, then Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. Degrees are same but direction changes, north and south. Remember, Tropic of Cancer equal to Tropic of Capricorn. Then next, Arctic Circle, Arctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree north, and Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree south. Arctic Circle equal to Antarctic Circle. Okay. Then next, North Pole, South Pole. You know that North Pole 90 degree and South Pole 90 degree. Both poles are 90 degree, equator is 0 degree. And remember all those degrees of Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. There is given some zone. You know that zone means area, and which zone it is represented as temperature, which is hotter and which is cooler. Like that, there is given torrid zone. Torrid zone is between Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. Torrid zone is between Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. That is, torrid zone means very hot zone. And then you can see Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer, that is known as North Temperate Zone. North Temperate Zone means temperate zone means there is not much hotter or much cooler. Okay, that is known as temperate zone. That is North Temperate Zone, Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer. North Temperate Zone, Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer. Then next, South Temperate Zone, like that, Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Okay. Then when we talk about frigid zone, you know that frigid zone temperature is very low. Frigid zone should be in the pole. Pole means North Pole and South Pole. You can say that between North Pole and Arctic Circle, frigid zone. Between South Pole and Antarctic Circle, frigid zone. There is two frigid zone, two temperate zone, and one torrid zone. Remember the areas of zones. Okay, that is important for your exam perspective. Already I told you. And remember the degrees of the principal latitudes. Then next we will discuss about longitude. You know that longitude is a vertical imaginary line. Vertical means I already told you up to down. Vertical imaginary line. And what is the work of longitude? Longitude and latitude represents position on Earth. Okay, it indicates the position, any position on the Earth. So that another one thing is longitude represents time. Longitude represents time. You know that there are 360 degree means 360 longitude lines. So 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. If we move east to west 1 degree, then there is a time gap 4 minutes. Have you heard about the time theory of Einstein, like future traveling and any other things? We can cross the time. We can spend much more time than actual. We can cross the time by speed. That is the theory of Einstein. You can see many movies based on this time travel. So it is possible by Einstein, but it's not yet proved perfectly. So you should learn about it, search about it, gain knowledge. Every time you should passive to gain knowledge. Okay. Then another one thing, longitude is also meridian. It's called meridian. So you should not be confused. What is meridian? What is longitude? You should not be confused. Longitude is equal to meridian. 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. What is prime meridian? Prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. Okay. You can see the pictures of longitude. It's look like vertical lines up to down. You can see that. There is prime meridian, which is 0 degree prime meridian, and another one thing on the opposite side is 180 degree east or 180 degree west. Like that, when I told you about latitude, that is denoted as direction north or south. In the case of longitude, there is two different thing, that is west or east, nothing different. Okay. And latitude is 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, remember latitude is 0 degree to 90 degree because north pole is 90 degree north and south pole is 90 degree south. Like that, the longitude is 0 degree to 180 degree east or 0 degree to 180 degree west. 180 degree east and 180 degree west both are same line, remember. Okay. And here is the map of our world. You can see our country India. uh, there is the lines, imaginary lines of latitude and longitudes. According to longitude lines, I already told you, we define time. So about our world's standard time, that is known as Greenwich time, Greenwich London, which is 0 degree longitude prime median. 0 degree longitude prime median cross along the London, that is known as Greenwich time, GMT. And another one time is IST, you should know, Indian Standard Time. that is the standard time for our whole country. We consider that time in north, south, east, west, everywhere. Okay. If I will tell you some more things, that is, you know that in western part of our country, that is Gujarat, Kutch, from Gujarat to the eastern part, most eastern part, Arunachal Pradesh, there is a huge distance, so that the time gap between two places is 2 hours. So that many northeastern states, they bring their um, views that they should have uh, a different time zone. Like China and USA, Russia, they have numerous number of time zones, but India has only one Indian Standard Time, so that they require one more time zone. That is the difficult things. So here is the complete lesson about latitude and longitude. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and like the video, and press the bell icon. Please share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video completely.